Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove main rotating brush on a Viola robot vacuum. To do this, first we'll need to flip our robot so we can see the main brush. Then you can click on those two buttons at the same time to remove the cover. And right here we have a brush. We can remove it by pulling it to the left side. And then now if you want to insert it back, you will need to align it. So there's a square on this side. Make sure it goes on the right slot with also the square in its mold. Now we can just let it in and then take the cover and close it like that until you hear the click. Also make sure it rotates well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.